You're watching this video because you are interested in biogas or an alternative energy. Well, here are the 10 things you need to consider before you decide to construct a digester or not. Hello thinkers, welcome to another video. A huge thanks to all of you that are subscribed to my channel, and if you have not, please subscribe and let us learn together. Cheaper source of energy is the highest demand of the world right now. You will want to stay on this video till the end so you can make an informed decision if biogas is good for you or not. I want to say thank you to over 250,000 views on my biodigester construction video. Your comments are the inspiration behind this video. If you have not seen that video, the link is in the description. Biogas is a type of biofuel that is naturally produced from the decomposition of organic waste. When organic matter such as food scraps and animal waste break down in an anaerobic environment, that is, in the absence of oxygen, they release a blend of gases, primarily methane and carbon dioxide. Anaerobic digestion is a natural form of waste to energy that uses the process of fermentation to break down organic matter. Animal manure, food scraps, wastewater, and sewage are all examples of organic matter that can produce biogas by anaerobic digestion. Due to high content of methane in biogas, typically 50 to 75%, biogas is flammable and therefore produces a deep blue flame and can be used as an energy source. Here are the 10 things you should know. It is a renewable energy and as such needs an input source to produce the energy we require, and in this case it is wastes. All kinds of wastes, human waste, animal waste, vegetable, and all kinds of waste that can naturally decompose. Totally biodegradable wastes we're talking about. Biogas is considered to be a renewable source of energy because its production and use cycle is continuous and it generates no net carbon dioxide. As the organic material grows, it is converted and used, it then regrows in a continually repeating cycle. It is highly inflammable and explosive. Biogas can be explosive and especially when compressed, just like the LPG or CNG. Biogas can be compressed after removal of carbon dioxide the same way as natural gas is compressed. That is why it is believed that landfills hold the highest level of biogas, and there are predictions that landfills could explode due to these gases that are trapped under the heap of wastes. Biogas is as dangerous as other gases. Caution must be taken in handling this. A biodigester can only produce 20% to 40% of biogas per day, and this can increase in warmer temperature. This also means the more waste ingested, the more gas produced. So, depending on your energy requirement, you may need a big container or even a bigger one or the biggest. Take this as an example. 1,000 liter digester will produce 200 to 300 liters of gas per day, and when it is warm, could produce as much as 400 liters. Biogas generates no net carbon dioxide and so it is environmental friendly. If all households could obtain or construct one, we will be saving the planet from climate change. Biogas can be used in electricity generation. It can be used in internal combustion engine or gas engines to convert energy to electricity. It can also generate electricity through fuel cells. The exposure of biogas to fuel cell produces electricity, a technology that is currently expensive. I would love to demonstrate biogas to electricity for you with detailed explanation. Please support this channel and project on Patreon. Thanks as you oblige. It can be used to power various forms of internal combustion engine for mobility. It is important that the gas is compressed into a cylinder like any other gases to serve this purpose. Biogas can run your vehicle of any size and make. Construction of biogas digester requires some expertise and skills, especially if you want to do it yourself. it requires some basic tools, and for a bigger plant, it requires professionalism and involves some costs. Biogas plants can be set up for commercial purposes. Depending on your capital and income, you can make a business out of it and make money filling gases for people, and you will be doing us all a favor. Quite a number of people will need it to cook, while others are generating electricity and running their vehicles. But is it a viable business? That will be a topic for another video, but I can tell you that you will be creating a circular economy if you go commercial. Slurry from biogas are organic manure that can be used in planting, and the sediments used to make briquettes. The briquettes can be used in cooking or for other eating purposes, and it produces no smoke. In all, having a biogas digester has a huge benefit to the planet as well as all humans. Biogas contains 55 to 75% of methane, which is 86 times more potent than carbon dioxide. You should not be careless about your digester as to letting the methane escape. You will rather be doing more harm to the environment than not having the biodigester at all. But if you are up to the task, you can go for it. Now that you have known all you have known, will you still go ahead and construct your own biodigester? I think you should, and let us collectively save our planet from fossil fuel. I have a couple of videos of making other stuff that doesn't harm the environment, and I would love you to see them. Remember, your likes and comments are my inspiration. Please, inspire me more. Inspire me more. Till another video, please subscribe to my channel and share my video. I'll see you in the next.